Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Nobody could have imagined. Drinking green tea and coffee daily reduces the risk of death in people with diabetes. Heavy drinking of green tea and coffee lowers the risk of death from any cause among people with type 2 diabetes, according to a study published in the online journal BMJ Open Diabetes Research and Care. The results show that drinking 4 or more cups of green tea daily plus 2 or more coffee reduces the risk of death by 63% over 5 years. People with type 2 diabetes are more prone to diseases of the circulatory system, dementia, cancer and bone fractures. And despite the growing number of effective medications, lifestyle changes such as exercise and diet remain the cornerstone of treatment. Previously published research suggests that regular consumption of green tea and coffee can be beneficial to health due to the various bioactive compounds contained in these drinks. But some of these studies have been done on people with diabetes. Therefore, the researchers decided to study the potential effects of green tea and coffee separately and together on the risk of death among people with the disease. They tracked the health of 4,923 Japanese, 2,790 males, 2,133 females, with type 2 diabetes, mean age 66, for an average of no more than 5 years. All were included in the Fukuoka Diabetes Registry, a multi-center prospective study examining the effects of medication and lifestyle choices on life expectancy in patients with type 2 diabetes. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.